So hello students, in this video we will learn the derivation of this quadratic formula x equals to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. How did it came from? Okay, so many students have this misconception that this plus minus thing, it's just from the square root, which is completely wrong. So in this derivation you will get to know what this plus minus is and how this formula came from. So we have the general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. A, b, c all are constants, but a should not be equal to 0, because if a is 0 then this quadratic equation will turn out to be a linear equation, no more a quadratic equation it will be. So we will use the concept of sum of roots and product of roots to find this solution. Okay, so if let alpha comma beta be the roots of this equation, and we all know that alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, which is the sum of roots, and alpha dot beta equals to c by a, which is the product of roots. We have these two. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So let me do one thing. Square equation 1. Definitely we will get alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta equals to b square by a square. If we square this one, we will get alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta is equals to b square by a square. Okay. So alpha square plus beta square is the unknown quantity over here, and if 2 alpha beta goes over that side, it will be minus, and alpha beta is c by a, so 2 alpha beta equals to 2c by a. Hence we get alpha square plus beta square is equals to a square will be the LCM and b square minus 2ac will be the numerator. So we get a new equation on board, which can be written as equation number 3. That's the value of alpha square plus beta square. So this thing you might have done in class 8 or 9 in that identities, algebraic identities. X minus 1 by x is this, find the value of x minus 1 by x whole square, find the value of x plus 1 by x. So we will be doing the same thing. Now we will be finding the value of alpha minus beta square. So we know alpha minus beta square is alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, right? So let's keep this as it is, alpha minus beta square. We have just now found the value of alpha square plus beta square, which was b square minus 2ac by a square. Just put it over here. And also minus 2 alpha beta equals to minus 2c by a. Similarly, we get alpha minus beta whole square equals to b square minus 4ac by a square on solving this one. Now we get alpha minus beta equals to square root of b square minus 4ac divided by a square. So till now we have not reached yet plus minus. We have just solved for alpha minus beta. So alpha minus beta will be equal to b square minus 4ac root over divided by a. We have got this as equation number 4. So what was equation number 1? Let me recall. Alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. Equation number 2 is alpha dot beta equals to c by a. Equation number 3 is alpha square plus beta square equals to b square minus 2ac by a square. And equation number 4, alpha minus beta equals to root over of b square minus 4ac divided by a. Now what we will do? We will do two things. Add 1 and 4. Second one is subtract 4 from 1. So if we add 1 and 4, alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta, alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha, beta minus beta will be 0. So in left hand side we get 2 alpha is equals to this plus this. So minus b by a plus b square minus 4ac root over divided by a. Hence we get alpha is equals to minus b plus b square minus 4ac root over divided by 2a. This 2 will come down 2a. And similarly, if we subtract 4 from 1, so alpha minus alpha will be 0, and beta minus minus beta is beta plus beta equals to 2 beta on the left hand side, and minus b by a minus root over of b square minus 4ac by a. Therefore, beta equals to minus b square minus 4ac root over divided by 2a. Now we got the formula for finding the roots of a general quadratic equation, and also you got the knowledge that what is this plus and minus. Plus is the root for one and minus is the other root. That's why x is equals to minus b plus minus, plus from here minus from here, root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the general quadratic formula. Remember students, nothing in the world of mathematics is without proof, and this is one of them. Thank you.